Sige, 40 kami na.
Wala ka. Okay na. Take 4. Action. Action. Go. Go.
Going to take a couple of minutes to get the boat organized. I don't know about you, but I intend to write a strongly worded letter to the whole White Star Line about the mission. I'm going to say your goodbye. Not yet. Do you understand me? We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go on, and we're gonna have a little baby. We're gonna die the whole baby, lying in bed. Not here, not this night, not like this. Do you understand me? Reading the ticket was the best thing that ever happened to me. Brought me to you. I'm faithful for that, Rose. I'm faithful. You must do me this honor. You must promise me that you'll survive, that you won't give up, no matter what happens, no matter how hopeless. Promise me now, Rose. Promise me.